Hi everyone, good afternoon. We live in a country where talking about mental health is considered a stigma and a taboo. Even having a mental health disorder is considered a sign of weakness. But without a proper mental health and a physical health, we cannot do anything in our life. Both are important. A mental health issue such as depression can lead to not doing anything in our day-to-day life. Even maintaining personal hygiene is very difficult. The person cannot focus on his day-to-day activities, does not want to do anything in their lives. If we see the statistics, suicide is one of the leading causes of deaths in our country. If we see the newspapers, we see more or less every day there are one or two instances where a person has committed suicide. So even if you see the statistics of Kota, recently if we see at least 24 to 25 people have committed suicide this year. There may be lot of causes which lead to suicide, which includes over expectations, high demands, financial issues, relationship issues. So what are the basic warning signs of suicide? First of all, the person involves in a very risk-taking behavior, which involves sexual behaviors, drug addictions, maybe into some excessive financial buying, excessive eating, etc. Next is giving away your possessions, talking about death, and lastly, a very significant change in behavior. A person who is to maintain himself or herself in a very good manner is not doing that. Suddenly he is neglecting all his self-care activities, personal hygiene. This is one note which people can understand that that person is into trouble, even if the person is not saying anything. Why does a person commit suicide? It is not the person is always doing it for some impulsive activities. There are situations where the person feels that suicide is the only last hope in my life. I have faced years of abuse, not being heard, not being understood, being judged, body shamed, color shamed, etc. So I guess it's time that we understand what is happening in the minds of people around us, and even people who we don't know also. We don't know what is happening in the life of the person in front of me, or maybe a stranger who is sitting next to me. We don't know. We just make comments on them and push them back into their problems. Because there are times when people are successful in their suicides, what we say to them that, আমাকে যদি বলতো, আমি যদি জানতে পারতাম, আমি সিচুয়েশনটা ঠিক করতে পারতাম, ওর কথা শুনতে পারতাম। কিন্তু যখন ওর কথা শোনার কথা ছিল বা ওর প্রবলেমস গুলো বোঝার কথা ছিল, তখন কিন্তু আমরা সায়েন্স গুলোকে নেগলেক্ট করে থাকি। তো এই জিনিসগুলোই আমাদের বুঝতে হবে। যখন সে আমাকে ওয়ার্নিং সাইন্স গুলো দিচ্ছে যে তার মধ্যে কিছু আমি সিগনিফিকেন্ট চেঞ্জ দেখতে পাচ্ছি, আমি ইমিডিয়েটলি তার সঙ্গে কথা বলবো। তাকে সাইকোলজিস্ট বা সাইকিয়াট্রিস্টের সেটা তো পরের স্টেপ, তাকে ইমিডিয়েটলি আইডেন্টিফাই করে তারপর তাকে নিয়ে যেতে হবে। প্রথম স্টেপ হচ্ছে আপনারা তার সঙ্গে কথা বলুন। ইউ এম্পাথাইজ উইথ দ্যাট পারসন, নট সিম্পাথাইজ। Provide empathy with that person. I think we would be celebrating World Mental Health Day in recent times, like on 10th October we would be celebrating World Mental Health Day. So I think on that day, let's pledge to join hands with the professionals who are dealing with mental health to help eradicate this problem, and so that we can help each other in saving lives. That would be our main motive, because we don't want to lose anyone to this particular problem, which is suicide. I am making this video because in recent, I think 2-3 weeks, I have been constantly seeing cases of suicide, like people who are having constant suicidal thoughts. It is not that they are doing it for fun or something. It is some issue which might be insignificant for us, but for them it might be a very bigger issue. Maybe when we see somebody dealing with a relationship problems, we feel that suicide is not the solution, but maybe for that person that relationship was everything. He or she has prioritized that so much that when that person is not there, the person feels the only thing I can do is commit suicide. So it's high time we understand the warning signs of suicide. We look into the problems, try to help people understand their problems instead of commenting and judging them and saying wrong things, or maybe bad things to them, that you can't do anything in their lives. I think if we empathize and join hands together, not only just psychologists but common people as well, then we can solve these problems. I hope I could help you understand about suicide. So let's just pledge to remove this evil from our society and give a better space to vent out, and a better world to the youngsters who are now studying or who are coming in the next generation. So be safe, be happy, and if you like this video, please comment, and thank you. Bye bye.